Damn. Man, 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 man.
Well.
Hey, what's up, bro? I'm already in short. I took the long. I'm in short now.
You shorting?
Oh hell yeah, I'm short. This shit is
Nah,
shorting.
not yet, bro. Not yet.
Trades between. So is it RIP, the comp account or what?
Actually, I'm in the comp account right now. I was just up almost 100. Well, I did hit 100 points until we this mess pulled back.
I did.
But yeah, man. You know what the messed up part is?
What's up?
Earlier when I was talking to you about,
Mm-hmm.
so that long position I had, I was up like $700-800, something like that. I could have just closed it and be like, all right, let's see what happens.
Mm-hmm.
And then pick Tenny, close my eyes, put my finger randomly on the chart, and just went short. It could have made a bajillion dollars, but
Mm-hmm.
no. Over here holding that stupid long. I'm like, surely the Bulls will come back in the day. But then after sitting through the day, I was like, nah, this is
Done.
one of them days. This is one of them days.
Yeah, bro.
Bears say y'all successfully had it.
Oh yeah, they had it all right, bastards. Bastards.
Yeah. It's like no longer a bear, but it's like, I don't know.
And
Being a bear is not good for you. It's not good for your health, your happiness, your sanity. It's not good for you.
no, it's definitely not, dude. It definitely isn't, man. It's such a shame that bears had to go through what they had to go through. But man, are they getting it? Dude, I really don't even know how I did it, but dude, I lost about like 16K. And I'm down to my last 3K in that account. I don't even feel like trading anymore, to be completely honest. The Nasdaq hurt me today. She hurt me today. She hurt me,
how
dude.
you how you do all of that?
I'm
I
still thinking it. I don't know.
can't. I mean, I don't know. I I was so stubborn. I was not giving up my position. So I didn't fight nothing. I was like, well, at this point, you gotta hold to see if they bounce it back.
I mean, at this point, you got to. I mean, you gotta hold at this point.
Yeah, when 310 hit, it said order fill. I was like, damn, well, damn. So I didn't lose as much. I lost 10.5.
Dude,
10,500. And I was just like, well, damn. How many points was that on one contract?
yeah.
I think I longed what was it, 980, I think? But that
Mhm.
was from, mind you, that was from like pre market. That was like, let me see. Let me go back on my chart and see where that was. Okay, so yeah, that was like, uh, no, surely it had to be, was it 980? Yeah, 980. Okay. So initially that was at like 4 a.m., I think. Yeah, somewhere around there.
Mhm.
4 or 5 a.m. And I was like, okay, this looks like a double bottom. Yeah, because if you look at four between 3:50, 4 a.m.
Mhm.
and then skip ahead to like 5:45, 5:40, I'm like, okay, it's like almost a double bottom territory. I saw some upward potential that we could probably hit before
Mm.
getting a big drop. I suspected a big drop. I
Did you?
just it just didn't. Yeah, because I'm like, we're gonna have a Black Monday. Everybody's gonna be crying and screaming. I suspected it. I should have just waited to watch it play out.
Hmm. Well,
But I was like, I set my, let me say this one last, I set my position and then I had to get ready for work and everything. And I'm like,
mhm.
I'm not closing it. And then all I was doing was looking at it at the, while at work. I'm like, damn. I
uh,
was like, there's nothing you can do now. You just gotta hold this and hope that they bounce it back. And when I text you, I'm like, bro, I'm down 400 points.
damn. I
Dude,
was
it
like,
just kept
damn.
going. Yeah. Oh, bro. That was wild. It was so funny.
Well, I mean, dude, I don't know, man. Sometimes I feel like we're like, dude, I do not even know why I even had a bad day today. Dude, none of my entries were wrong. It was just that the Nasdaq literally hold on. The Nasdaq literally missed my targets and ran like super ran to my stop and then go and went to hit my target. So it's like, dude, like what the hell was up with that? And I just kept losing. And then I would win and then I would lose and win and lose and win and lose. And I'm like, God damn. I just couldn't win. The Nasdaq was literally I don't know what I did to her. I don't know, maybe I invited maybe I sent a sneaky link to the ES last night or something last night or something like that because she was being really dirty to me and I don't even know why. Like I really don't. I don't know what the hell I did to her. 280.
Yeah, what messed me up was I tried to jump like straight into the market in the beginning. It was
Mhm.
like maybe 6 or 7 o'clock, somewhere around there. And I was like,
Mhm.
oh, then I just kept getting flip flopped. Okay, it's like, okay, you're not gonna go long, but I'm gonna go short. Then it pumps back up. I'm like, oh no. Hit her with the baby, please. One more chance. Give me one more chance.
Baby, please.
Come back to break even. I'll get out. I'm aware that I'm wrong. And that's when she decides to keep going, stop me out, then come back, and then go up some more. I was like, you I'm over there cussing this entry. You bastard. Oh man. Oh man. I am in long. I kind of gave up my better position for a little bit worse position, but because I was long at 214.
Mhm.
I think price got up to 272, then pulled back. And I was like, ah, okay, it's about to short. But that was just a liquidity grab. So I closed out with like 400, and I flipped short. No, yeah. I flipped short. I look away for like a split second, and then it's way back up there to where it originally started. I was like, oh, dang, okay. It pained me, but I closed out. I took the loss on that trade, like $800. Got back in long, and I'm in long at 259.
Mm.
One contract up 3K right now.
Congratulations, bro. Man, I really don't even want to trade that damn comp account anymore. That shit is stressful as fuck.
I mean, it sucks because I gave away all my gains in literally one day.
Yeah, yeah, me too. And I don't feel like getting it all back.
Because it's hard to do it one contract.
Yeah,
That's, yeah.
I
I
mean,
mean, unless we would
look,
have just shorted today.
dude, I don't even like, dude. I'm still like, dude, like, how the hell did I do that? Like, dude, if I can lose that much money on one contract, damn it, I better make it. Damn it. I lost money like I was going full port on all my positions today. I was like, damn. Let me had to
Yeah.
reconsider if I suck or not. Like,
When I saw that mess hit 950 points,
Mm.
I was like, well, dang, about to get a 5%, about to get 1,000 pointer.
Man, the crazy thing is that we was almost at the top yesterday. I was looking to short 560 and I would have been happy. I was looking to short 560, but it missed it by 4 points. Literally
Dang.
missed it by 4 points. But
Yeah, that's tough.
yeah. Yeah, and that's what the Nasdaq was doing. Like the Nasdaq was literally setting the tone for how she was going to treat me today. Literally at the start of the stream, she missed me by like a point, hits my target, fills my order, and then runs to my stop. That should have been the first sign. Then she does it again. And then the next time, I get into it. She almost touches my target. She comes all the way back, stop me out. Mind you, I've already moved the stop back. Mind you that. So she runs all the way to my stop, hit it at the T, and then runs back up to my target. And I'm like, bro, I mean, if you're just gonna do that to me, if you're just gonna do that, bitch, man, like, god dang. And then, you look at the charts after everything is said and done, and then he was like, damn, like, so yeah, the market was super crazy today, but it was bouncing off of supply and demand. I was like, when the hell did she do it? Like, that's just how crazy the Nasdaq is. She'll gaslight you into thinking like, I mean, if you just bought here and sold here, you would have been good. No, you didn't trade like that when when you was moving. You wasn't doing that shit. You wasn't doing that. Hell yeah, Alfred. Like, dude, Alfred saw that shit. Like, she was like, dude, she was just hurting me today. Like, she was like, it's like, well, you said that you was not going to trade another instrument, and I'm going to be your only one. And so now I'm gonna really mess with you. Now I'm trading gold now, damn it.
Oh, dang.
You off my charts for a while, Nasdaq. Shit.
Dang, it's like that.
It's like that, dude. Like, dude, if you saw the stream this morning, like, dude, I shouldn't have lost any of my trades today, but she was doing me dirty. God dang, she was doing me super dirty. Super dirty. I was like, dang. I know I didn't hit up your mama. I know I didn't hit up your sister. All right, getting that
Dang.
first target hit. And yeah, she was super nasty to me today. Super nasty. Are you still trading your oh please, oh shit. Bro, please tell me you still got your take profit account, bro. Please tell me you still got your take profit account.
Nah, I don't.
Ah, shit. I just remembered that
Yeah,
shit. Damn, bro. What
yeah.
happened? I mean, damn.
Well, with that one, I got caught. What happened? Just reversing, keep reversing. Just kept doing one thing, doing another, and just flip flopping back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
Before I knew it, and I forgot about the trail too. I was like, no, I completely forgot about that trail.
Did you?
And so I thought I was good. Yeah, like my mind was not even thinking about that. But really, what I was thinking about was just, okay, let me hit this buffer real quick, and then we'll be good for the next day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I had the 50K, so you know you can't play around with that. You only get 2K. Yeah. So I was like, huh? I'm like, I didn't even hit the. I was like, oh, the trail.
Yeah.
It took me. I was like, I ain't even. My balance is good. I'm like, what happened? I'm like, damn it. That's why their evals need to be consistent with the funded side. Because I'll be
Mm.
forgetting.
Well, he said that they tried to move the numbers around. I mean, at least that's what he said. He said that they tried to move the numbers around, and unfortunately for them and for us, uh, the way that they have it is the only way to make the numbers work.
Oh, what? They're trailing stop or they're
Hmm.
trailing
Yeah.
drawdown?
Yeah. Yeah, they said that's how they make their numbers work. So unfortunately, it's gonna be here to stay. Unfortunately.
Yeah. Oh,
Shit, maybe I should have took that. But maybe I should have took that. I think the Nasdaq is gonna punish me for not taking those profits.
you can still take your profits.
Blasphemy. Blasphemy. Taking profits before price hits your TP? Blasphemy.
That is pretty blasphemous, but it all depends on what you trade in, really.
Yeah. You know what,
Live,
bro? Oh, go ahead, finish your thought.
you know what I'm saying? If it's a live account, I'm taking that.
Mm.
I can feel bad about it later. It's my targets, and then move on.
I mean, does it happen that way though? Does it happen
Sometimes.
that way? Especially when the market is still fresh, you got plenty of time to lose your money in the markets. It doesn't hit your target. You take profits before it hits your target, and then it goes to your target with such velocity and speed, and you look at it, and then impulsively you find yourself back in the same position but with a worse entry. You don't even know how it happened. You black out for a microsecond and you find yourself in a new position.
Oh yeah, that's wild.
I don't know how I got here. And this thing needs to hurry up and drop.
She'll make you chase. I'm just like, man, I'm about to go to ES.
ES has already been officially deleted off my chart. She's officially deleted.
No way.
Yeah.
Yo, and then Bitcoin has some opportunity too. You could have been a millionaire shorting Bitcoin
Oh my
this
God.
whole
Please
time.
don't remind me of that, man. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You could have made $1 million shorting that thing.
And you know I would have shorted it too. I just hate the fact that you just gotta wait for it to set up on Bitcoin. That's the only reason why I somewhat low key it's like, well, I mean, every time I look at this thing, the move already happened and I missed it. I missed the setup. So I was like, well, ugh.
But it's super lucrative though.
Yeah, it definitely is, man. It
Like
is.
like this little small move was 3,500 points
Damn.
on MBT. And that's not even the full move. That's just
All
the
right.
first that's the first
Fine,
leg.
fine, 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 fine. I'm throwing it
That's
back
the
on
first
there.
leg.
Fine.
That's the first leg. Let me show you what the full leg is. Actually, I mean, it's more than that, but let me do the full move, top to bottom.
But this is what I will say about the comp account. I will say this. I do enjoy trading with one or two contracts and catching points again. So what I'll do is continue to trade that way, but obviously utilize extra contracts and scaling because that one contract will have you sitting there contemplating life and shit. Like, damn, should I take profits now or what? Like, what the hell should I do?
Yeah, man. Yeah. 400 points. And that was early on in the day too. I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
damn, I got 400 points. And then it just kept going. And I was like, well, I stopped looking at the charts. Like, well, it's all good.
That's
Maybe we'll get
actually a
a
good short setup right
rally.
there.
Six
Actually, no, it's not.
thousand 6,000 points
6,000 points.
on Bitcoin. I don't know what
Mm.
that is, monetary terms, but yeah, 6,000 points on that one little leg. And that's not even saying if you shorted, let's say Friday, and let's
Mhm.
say you were able to hold over the weekend, and shoot,
So you
that's
talking
what.
about like having a live account, shorting Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin? I bet you're wondering how I got here. I bet you're wondering why I'm down 13K. uh, yeah, it all started with that bitch Nasdaq being nasty to me. Dude, I'm gonna go to bed tonight and still think like, damn, what the hell happened? Like, what happened? What happened? It's just like today was just one of those days where I guess the Nasdaq wanted sacrifice, and she used some of her juju, her mojo jojo, to where even if I'm right, I was gonna be wrong. Cause she was real nasty to me this morning, dude. Made me look like a fool. Made me look incompetent, like I don't even know what the hell I was doing. Missing my targets and missing my limits and hitting my damn stops. My God. And I said I was gonna walk away too. You know I was not gonna walk away. I was not walking away from that. I was not walking away. I wanted to though, but I just couldn't. I was literally in the market all day, literally. And then she
Dang.
did this nasty thing. Oh my gosh! Like when I said that she is nasty, she did this. Like, dude, like I just stepped away from the screen at this point because I was like, man, if you're just gonna be nasty to me like that, then you know what? I'm just gonna leave. All right. Now, where was I in at? So I was thinking that we was gonna probably see 345, I think. And I think I had just gotten out of a short or something like that, right? Okay, so yeah, I just gotten out of a short, and I was like, okay, we're definitely going long because I mean there is no structure. They're gonna bounce this thing right back, right? So I think I'm in right here at this little double bottom. She runs my stop, and I'm like, fine. Apparently she's not ready to go long yet. So dude, I literally put on a short at 270 something, 275. And mind you, this is the bottom. And as soon as I put on that short, she does this. And I was like, okay, all right, fine, fine. If you're just gonna be nasty to me like that, if when I want to go long and then you stop me out, making me think that I'm wrong, and then I go short and then you go super long, the long that I was looking for, when you do stuff like that, it makes me not want to trade you. So I'm leaving. I left, but I came back and I traded some more. So this is why the NASDAQ thinks that she can get away with treating me like this.
So I left. I'll be back. You didn't go to gold or nothing? No other instrument?
No, because you know gold don't be moving and shit after a certain time. They gotta wait for like, dude. I mean, her and Bitcoin's the same. Like they move when it's like, all right, I guess we'll move now. Like, dude, I ain't about to wait for that.
Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. let me see what I've been keeping an eye on silver. Let me see what she been doing.
Dude, I saw a commercial about silver, dude. Or did you? Was it a meme that you sent me about silver? I think I saw a commercial about silver, about talking about silver is going to make you rich. Was that you that sent me that, or did I just saw that like on the internet? Okay, so I think I saw it on the internet. I was like, what the hell? It's silver enthusiast. Just a special word for people that lose money on silver. I'm a silver enthusiast. Translation: I lose money on silver all the time. I just don't want to say it like that.
That's crazy.
You said what?
I said that's crazy. Now, I mean, it's a good silver. Is one of them instruments. Yeah, you make a lot of money. $50 a tick.
Mm-hmm.
A mini silver. Yeah, and it's shorted.
Dude, what the fuck? Mm. All right. So what? The Bears, I mean, they got their fill. And so now the Bulls are just going crazy now, or what? I mean, what's going on? What's really going on?
Yep. Is there any after hours news or something?
No. Nope. I mean, unless Trump comes out and help my position out. So I mean, I guess I will say this. I mean, Trump better have a plan because my God, this ain't looking good. You got people on TikTok thinking like, "Oh, y'all should have voted for Kamala. Y'all wouldn't have gotten this." And shit, it made me think like, damn, these people might actually be right, but then they're just crazy, so you don't want them to be right.
This was gonna happen regardless of who was in.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Got the Trump pump off of it's like buy the rumor, sell the news type stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And
But this
president.
I mean, February, March is that time, man. That's where the Bears come out.
So you're telling me the short. You're telling me that I should come out of hibernation and short. Hmm.
Historically, yeah, if that means anything.
Okay. Well. So. Hmm.
Man, I was like, bro, it's 9 o'clock, and I felt like it was like 7 o'clock. I was like,
Yeah,
man, this is crazy.
dude. Yeah, dude. That's why I was like, man, dude. I was, yo, like my, dude. My body don't even know what the hell is going on. Like I'm so good. Like I feel like, man, I should still be up, but dude, it's like almost 10 o'clock. Well, yeah.
I was like, no way. Like I was just like it was just 7 o'clock, not too long ago. And now here it is. I'm just sitting here looking at the charts. I'm like, dang, it's 9 o'clock already. Like, man, this is trash.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna head out here pretty soon.
Mm.
Probably now, cause yeah, I gotta get up early and I didn't get no sleep yesterday.
Watching that position.
No, I wasn't watching it. I was just I don't know what I was doing, just trying to adjust. Thought about taking some melatonin, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna want to get up if I do that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you gotta have dedicated time to sleep that off, at least for me.
Mm.
Get up before it's intended before it completely is out of your system, you're gonna be all groggy and tired throughout the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
So I ain't take none, but
Dude. The I will say that I kind of adjusted just to adjust. I mean, it's crazy because it's crazy that my daughter adjusted to it really quick and I adjusted to it. And I was like, all right, Satan. I mean, what magic, mojo, jojo, juju that you're playing this? Because I woke up feeling good, even though I lost an hour, even though the world robbed an hour from me. Can't get that hour back.
Hmm. Yeah, I stayed up to like I tried to go to sleep, but I couldn't sleep. Stayed up to like 1 or 2 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
um, watching Game of Thrones, just hoping that would put me to sleep.
Read a book. Read it and I'll put you to sleep. Game of
Yeah,
Thrones.
that's true. That is true.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there with a account. But yeah, Alfred, yeah, my bad. Like, man, well, as I shared with Smith earlier, well, I mean, the government, all this government stuff is somewhat touching us, but not necessarily. I guess I would be considered a quote unquote essential worker, so I don't have to worry about any of that. But because of that, the non-essential workers are going to get downstaffed. And that means that we got to do work. They get to go on vacation potentially, and we got to do all the damn work. So I had to I had to get some work done, and just like how Smith said, he looked at his he looked at his clock, looking at the charts. It was 7 o'clock, and then it was 9. I did the same thing. I get done with the work. I'm like, what the hell? Why the hell is it 8:30? I didn't even feed my daughter yet. I didn't even feed her yet. I was like, ah, shit. I was like, damn, where the work? Damn, where the time go?
Yeah. Where did it go?
I'm surprised my daughter didn't come in and was like, hey, it's time to eat. She let me work in peace. But I was like, oh shit, let me go feed this girl and put her ass to bed. Just watching ICT video. Nah, shit, you'll become a. Mm. All right, bro. I know you need to go to bed, bro. So don't want to hold you up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off here. I did re-enter long. I'm down, but not out.
Bro, I mean, I think we at least retest about like 330 or 320 or something like that, man. I think we come back to these EMAs to S2 before we see a
I'm,
bounce.
I'm not even gonna disagree with you there. I only I only hopped in because of the well, I exited my original. I took profit
Congratulations.
and then and re-entered. So we'll see. I know I should have waited a little bit, but you know how that go.
Yeah, ain't no waiting on the Nasdaq. The Nas crack. Ain't no waiting.
Yeah, but I don't disagree. It probably is going. But I don't know if it feels like one of those situations where the Bulls are trying to make a somewhat of a run. Maybe at
Mm,
least go for the open or the high.
mm.
But we'll see. I ain't gonna worry about it. It's gonna be like yesterday.
Mm.
I might check it. I'll check the position when I get up, get ready for work.
Yeah, I mean, if they hold 365, then okay, then I can see it. I can see a push, but the way that they just made this double top right here, yeah, it's looking like it wants to at least go down, and then we could potentially see a bounce at like, where's that? Like 285 or something like that. 280, 285, where we got that bounce from yesterday. Because I mean, I think the market wants to at least come back and test this, that bounce from yesterday. So, uh, yeah, that would have probably been a better long. But like I said, I ain't even touching my damn. I'm not touching my CP account. I'm not touching that comp account. It's basically done. I'll probably trade it tomorrow though.
Yeah.
And it's not too late to flip short.
It is for me. All right, Joe. Catch you in the next one.
All right, man. Have a good night. Peace.
You too. Later.
Yeah, for everybody that was with me this morning, y'all saw how nasty the Nasdaq, how she was to me. You know, the crazy thing is, though, I will say this. Even though I lost 13K in that comp account, I made all the money and I made my maximum daily profit in all my funded accounts. I did not take a loss in any of my funded accounts. Speaking of that, I just locked in another payout at the start of the session. So I got my, I think it's my 7th or 8th payout this year. And I got that locked in. Now, this is what I will say. MFF, so far so good, but I wanted to record it, but I didn't want to. I didn't. Hit my damn target. Shit. I wanted to record it, but I mean, it was just so much going on that probably next time I'm gonna probably put on my. I'll probably take the trade and have a screen share or a screen record on next time, because what actually happened is making me kind of skeptical and making me think that MFF may be going back to their old ways. And this is what I mean by that. So today was my last day to make money in the account. And at open, I went long and I caught this long at open, right? So I caught this long at open and all I needed to make was $100. So I get in, the thing pops up, I'm up $285. I close out the account and I'm like, yeah, payout locked in. I look over at my account and it says that I'm down $18. And I'm like, how? How am I down $18 when I was just up $285? But I said, fuck it. Fuck it. So I get back in. I'm up another $300 or some shit like that. And I was like, all right, fine, I can close this shit. So I close it. Now look at my P&L and it says I'm down $8. And I'm like, yo, what? How the fuck did I just make $500 and this thing on my P&L says that I'm down $8? And I'm like, bro. Then that's when I tried to record it, but I was like, no. Let's just make this fucking money. And then I saw that it wicked. And then I got in short and I was like, you know what? Let me just get in short. And then once I see that I'm up, I'm just going to close it. Now, I got in at this candle and I was able to get $400. I was up $400. So all today, I don't know if it was a glitch on my side. I don't know if I'm going to I'm going to look at my P&L tomorrow and see that I actually made $900 tomorrow, because technically that's how much I made. But at the end of the day, it said that I only made like 280, I think. I think I'm up $240, I think. I was like, how the fuck? This thing said that I'm only up $240 when I just made $4. And I was like, you know what? Fine. It don't fucking matter. As long as this shit says that I'm up $100 or at least $100, the payout is locked in. And I was just thinking to myself, like, dude, that really could have just, like, if I didn't stay focused, if I didn't stay locked in, that really could have fucked me up, because I could have went on tilt. Like, I could have, like, that type of shit could have made me on tilt. I was like, yo, last day to get the payout. I'm not the P&L is not showing up in my account. I didn't like that at all. I did not like that. And because of that, that's why I'm not going to trade my comp account tomorrow, because I don't want no ghost or no phantom position showing up in the account that I already got the payout locked in. I canceled it. I took the screenshot. So if a phantom order wants to find its way, I'm like, yo, hold up now. Hold up. Wait a minute. I ain't trading that account yesterday, so don't be playing me like that. I canceled all my orders. That shit is locked into my logs. My account has been all the cancels, and I even disconnected, and all that shit is in my logs. So don't play with me tomorrow. So we'll see if they play with me tomorrow. But I just find that very interesting that I made $900 and in my P&L I'm only showing that I made two. So that's bothering me, and I don't like that. So we'll see what happens. I think I might have messed up on this one. I think I probably should have took the profits because it looks like it's trying to find support. It's looking like it's trying to find support. I should have probably took the profits on this. Yeah, I probably should have took the profits. But I mean, this high right here. I mean, if they take that high out, I mean, like, damn. Shit. Hmm. Hmm. Shit, that better not pop up. One of them stupid phantom orders pop up, and I know I didn't. I'm not even logged into the account. Okay, I don't know. All right. I mean, I was up. I mean, if we see a nasty green candle here, I mean, dude, I don't think so though. I think this is might be the Nasdaq being really nasty right now. I think this is her trying to be nasty. I mean, we got this leg down. We got this high right here that broke down. We got a little break of structure. But then yeah, I guess this thing could be trying to. I guess it could be trying to come up all the way up here, which would just kind of suck. Maybe it is trying to come up here. Man, maybe it is trying to do that, man. Damn it. Hmm. All right. Oh, well. You know what, Alfred? I was just looking at that. I was like, yeah, maybe it could come back up to 4 freaking 60, man. Hmm. All right. So if we see a pop and they find support at at the top of this range, then I'll get out of this. Because that's what's going to be the deciding factor is if they find support on the top of this range. That's going to be the deciding factor. But if we see like a little pullback here, I mean, I'm making the assumption that the market at least wants to pull back. At least want to pull back until, or shit, maybe they already did it. Oh crap, maybe they did. Maybe that's what that is right there. Huh. Oh shit, I might actually be on the wrong side of the market. Maybe that is what that is right there. I mean, you got this breakout, and then that wick could have been that test. Hmm. But I'm still thinking that they want to come back and test this low. I'm thinking they want to do that. I mean, I guess technically, I guess it did already, didn't it? You got a break, and then, ah, shit, they already did already. Hmm. Well, I mean, it's not like I think not like I think tomorrow we shorten tomorrow. We could. I mean, we got the Joe's job reports. I think this actually might be the first time in a very long time that we might get a green Joe's report. I think this might be the first time in a long time that we get a green one. Yep. That's how you buy low and sell high. You got to sell it on the way up and buy it on the way down and hope that it works. You buy it on the way up, well, especially on the Nasdaq, you'll find out. You will find out. Hmm. Nice. All right, man. All right. They find support on this range and I'll get out. I'll close it. But if this candle closes back within that range or underneath this range, then I'm gonna stay in it short. Hmm. Or I mean, you can at least be. I guess you'll be nasty and short squeeze and touch my stop. Hmm. Okay. Well. Hmm. All right, Alfred. What? Oh. Oh wow. What? Wow. I bought a buy stop and I guess it turned into a sell. No, man. All right, man. Hmm. Gameway says that he don't feel like shorting no more. I definitely agree with you, Gameway. I mean, we like, dude, we dropped 4%. We dropped 4% today, and then we dropped. Oh shit. Okay. And then we dropped an extra. I mean, we almost dropped 5% today. This bounce saved us from dropping, from popping 5%. I think we literally touched, if we saw 135, 138 yesterday, they would have probably halted this market. Uh, 10. Mm. Or I guess you could do that. God damn. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Nice. What the fuck? All right, man. All right, whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Whatever, whatever. What the fuck ever. Whatever. Fine, we'll just go long. Shit. Fine. We'll just go long. Just gonna short squeeze up higher. Why not? All right, so I mean, we got the gap fill. We got a wick down, but shit, this thing has stopped me out so many damn times. trying to go short. Well, all right, man. That's fine, Nasdaq. You can just be nasty. You can be nasty. Go ahead, just stop me out. Go ahead. Be nasty like that. Be nasty. Sugar Ray, no. Unfortunately, I'm in an eval right now, and I'm about to blow it. I am not in a practice account. I wish I was. Wish I can turn back the pendulum on this one. All right. I mean, I feel like I should go short here, but I mean, I feel like I should go short. Nice. think I would have got stopped out. Hmm. I mean, that's obvious selling right there, but guess the Nasdaq don't want to sell no more. Nasdaq, I'm not taking break even. So I mean, either hit my target or liquidate my account, and that's the only options we got. You see which one she chooses, though, right? Oh, Nasdaq. The Nasdaq wants to do it so bad. She wants to go back up and hit my stop and stop me out of this, and then hit my targets afterwards. She wants to do it so bad. Hmm. Excuse me. Hmm. I mean, if price is going to come back here and they're going to buy it here, guess I'll just wait for this. 442. I mean, technically that would be a short. Technically, that's a short. I mean, I don't want to technically say anything. I just want to do it. Technically, that's a short. Just put it above this candle. $376. Hmm. Hmm. Looks like it's having a hard time at this level. I mean, if it breaks through, then we should get a move back down into this range, but this level needs to break first. This level needs to break and we'll see a move back into this range. Yeah, they're gonna probably pump it, honestly, from that level. I mean, they got a stop run above the level, a fake out, push. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, they got a fake out from that level, fake short. I mean, I mean, shit, this thing was dirty. I mean, this is where I got caught. That was a nasty fake wick candle right here. That was nasty. A nasty fake wick doji candle, get people in short just to stop them out. That was a nasty candle. I mean, we already got the gap fill already. That's probably what the market was going for this whole time. Got the gap fill right here. Got the gap fill. I mean, I don't really know why we made that high at 495. I don't know why, but and it's not really nothing of significance up here. Hmm. It feels like it doesn't, Jack. We had an 885-point move down on the Nasdaq today. The only thing that saved it was that little bounce, saving it from a 5% down day. We were down 4% today, guys. Think about that. We were down 4% today. A straight 4% move down. Yep. No price action, no bounces, no nothing. We just went straight down. So I mean, I can only expect that we should see a move up overnight or potentially see a move going up tomorrow. Probably London, probably sometime in New York. I do think that we get at least one more test in this area though, and then we probably should see a move up. I mean the trend channel, the trend line is not sloped in a way to where it would suggest that we see a bounce, but I mean, we could. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice one. Nice. Nice. You said, do I have enough? I don't have no cash in my live account, my brokerage account. No, I don't. Because it seems like the market just wants to go down. Uh, Market wants to go down. And you really don't know where it wants to go. All right, whatever, Nasdaq. Hmm. All right. I mean, that's what the Nasdaq's been doing to me all day. I don't know why, but she really has been doing that to me all day, like missing my targets and finding strength before it. And then no matter where it's at, I mean, I don't know why she's been doing it, but this is exactly what she's been doing all day today. Okay. So it just filled the opening gap. Hmm. 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 And you're talking about a downward move, right? Not actually getting in and going long, right? That's what you're talking about. You talking about a move to the downside. I was thinking long for a long term play. Well, hmm, hmm, all right. So yeah, all right. I mean, if this stops me out, then I'm just gonna stop. I really don't know what the hell's been going on today. It seems like this was something that's Been a repeating pattern all day. All day. Feel like I'm in a blender right now. Like I'm in short and then I'm in long and then I lose on both. Yeah, Jack. Mm. All right. I'm just gonna have to get. I'm gonna have to think about that. Hmm. All right, Jack. Have a good night. All right. All right. Okay. I don't know. Fucking reshit this thing. Not today, Nasdaq Satan. Not today. Nice. Nice. Look at that. And that's what the Nasdaq's been doing today. I don't know why. Look at it hit my target after it stops me out. That's what she's been doing all day today. I have no clue what the hell's her problem today. I do not know. Look at that. First TP hit, unnecessary stop out. I mean, they took the liquidity above this candle. Yeah. Oh, all right, man. Mm. Mm. Oof. I mean, if I want to pay that much money. All right. All right. Yeah, today was definitely not one of my better days. I don't even know what the hell was going on today. It just seemed like I would take decent trades, and yet, due to for whatever reason, the Nasdaq. All right. All right. All right. That's it for me tonight. I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully the price action is a little bit better tomorrow. Oof. Yeah, hopefully it's a little bit better because man. All right, we'll definitely come back tomorrow. I'm going to be ending the stream tomorrow a little bit early. I got to do adult things and pay taxes tomorrow. So I got to get that crap out of the way because I'm already like a couple of days behind. So I got to get that shit done. Uh, if I have time in the afternoon, I'll come back and make up the time later on if I have the time, but I probably won't. So we'll just come back in the evening as we usually do. And like I said, hopefully everything is back to normal with the price action. So, all right, guys, have a good night, and we'll definitely come back tomorrow and earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.